working on today?
Our camper.
All right, do you know what we're gonna do today?
No.
We're gonna take down this door.
This door.
Your door.
My bedroom door.
Yeah, because we're gonna
This
put
is my bedroom.
Yes, I already gave a tour. And we're gonna take down this ugly, beautiful boy.
What's up?
With the taco hat.
It's your boy.
Oh, he's not even waiting. Oh my goodness. And this frame. Low battery. Very good.
Oh, wow.
All right. So it begins. Oh, snap.
I need your help.
You have no patience. It already feels so much bigger in here without the window fixtures and the door and the door frame. So really excited. It's a beautiful November day. It's not super cold. Yeah. So much more work to do. We're thinking we're gonna completely redo the master to give us more space in here as far as walking and storage. Is also really like kind of tiny bed. Probably keep the upper cabinets, might take out that cabinet and just kind of turn the bed. I don't know, stay tuned. We'll do something creative. We are thinking that there's going to be some water damage on the floor along this way, also on this wall. You can kind of see, yeah, that might be from water damage. And I hear a goob coming.
Day
Goob.
week on.
We're on day 3.
That's right.
Yep. And then I got work to do on the floor.
Or ripping.
Bathroom's gonna
Ripping
be
and a tearing.
its own project. Yeah. What are those seats called? I said buffet seats. That's not right.
Seats.
No. What's it called?
Oh, I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm gonna rip them out.
Okay. All right. Here's to day 3. Whoop. What we did today.
What we're
We've
doing.
done so far.
Okay, we've removed the major seats for the dining experience. I'm minding my head so I don't bump it on the slide here.
Anthony's too tall for this.
Well, just the slide, which this isn't a standing compartment anyway. Yeah, seats removed. We're getting the, what are they called? The boxes that go over the windows?
These?
Just, yeah,
If
you know the technical
window.
term. Watch out for that screw that's sticking out of it.
Oh.
Top.
Oh.
Yeah, sharp.
There is a word for it.
But those things.
Valences?
Okay. Yeah, that. We're going to rip up the carpet off the slide. We're going to try to dismantle this couch a little bit so that way, I don't even think dismantling it, just flattening it out so that way when the day
I don't know how we
comes.
can get it out.
It's wide enough. I measured.
Okay.
We just got to flatten it. Flatten it to the bed size and it'll come right out.
Okay.
We
So
got
we're
time.
going to do laminate floors. I'm thinking of like a dark wood.
Mm-hmm.
Like a gray.
Like all of the Instagram.
Yes,
Pinterest.
I want it to look like
I know.
Pinterest.
Yep. Maybe we'll switch it all up. Do something wild and wacky and crazy.
No.
Okay, no. But yeah, we got to make sure it's solid
This is a remote.
to that TV.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it was there when I sat the TV on it. All right, y'all. But that's it. We got other projects coming.
Day 3 coming to a close.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Goodbye. All right, now I'm recording. I
Okay.
thought I was recording the whole past 5 minutes, but I'm not. So that's
Yeah. So I don't know.
there's the shower.
Yep. Rip that out.
Goob's in here.
Yep.
Ripped out the shower.
So we're gonna remove the tub. We want to try to put a shower in here, but there's piping that exists already. So we may have to drill some different holes and reroute some pipes to have the toilet set up differently.
Anthony's too tall for the shower.
Yeah, it's just too tall for me in that state. So we want to have a flat shower and then just a toilet. Not at an angle. An angle toilet, I see where they wanted to provide more room. But there's about a 4-inch space behind this wall that separates the master bedroom and this room. So we could definitely run a vertical pipe from the floor up into a toilet or somewhere different through the bottom of the bathroom floor. But that's the plan.
Show me the floor again.
Oh yeah, the floor is gross and black. So yeah, that's definitely gotta go. And we're just gonna completely redesign this bathroom, keeping the walls and everything the same. Yep.
Paint them.